My name's Julia, and I am 27 years old. I live in London, but I'm German. I live with my boyfriend and we are very happy. I work in a bank and I love my job. From Monday to Friday, my day starts very early. I always get up at 6:30 and I have a 20-minute shower. Then, I get dressed and comb my hair. At 7 a.m. I have breakfast. I usually have coffee and cereal. After that, I put on my makeup and go to work. At 10 a.m., I sometimes have a snack, and at 12 o'clock I usually have lunch at the office with my colleagues. They are wonderful people who have a good sense of humor. And they are good friends too. At 3:30 I have a snack again. I usually have some tea and biscuits. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I go to the gym after work. When I get home I have a shower again, I prepare dinner and I watch TV for a while. I like to go to bed as soon as possible. Around 9:30. Thursday is different because I don't go to the gym. I go out with my boyfriend every Thursday. We sometimes go to the cinema or we go out for dinner and to have a drink. My boyfriend's name is Daniel. He is 31 years old, and he's an architect. He likes cooking, but he doesn't like cleaning the house, so we share the housework. His family is from Spain. He has 2 brothers and no sisters. We have been a couple for 6 years. And we have been living together for 2 years. On Friday night I always go out with my friends. We sometimes go to a bar and sometimes we meet at a friend's house, but I can't be home late because I have to get up early on Saturday to clean the house. At the weekend, I always visit my parents and I often visit my grandparents, too.